So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your monitor's contrast issue without actually using any software. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply hit Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Once you do that, in this run prompt, all you need to do is just simply type DCCW. Just simply hit enter to this. Then in this calibration page, hit and again next. You can even check the gamma values also. Then again hit next and next, and until you reach this section of contrast. Here you're gonna see the samples. The not enough contrast section there will look something like this. The good contrast will look something like this, and too much contrasty will look something like this. Now just simply hit next and adjust the contrast from the control buttons over your monitor according to this particular image. And once you are satisfied with your changes, just simply save it. And here's easily you can find out what the exact contrast value fits on your monitor. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.